Alright girls, let's start making a super cute bunny plush today. Quick pause, don't forget to hit subscribe, and turn on the bell so you won't miss more cute DIYs like this. If you enjoyed this, give it a like, comment and subscribe for more adorable plushie tutorials. See you next time.